In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Behance and update your profile effectively. This guide is perfect for creatives who want to shine in their field by showcasing the best of their work on one of the top platforms for artists, designers, and innovators. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type in Behance to find the official site. You'll see a link that says Behance Showcase, Discover, and Hire Creatives. Click on this link to take you to the homepage of Behance. This platform is more than just an online gallery. It's a thriving community where you can explore and engage with creative work across various disciplines. Whether you're into graphic design, illustration, or photography, Behance provides a wonderful opportunity to connect with other creatives and potential clients worldwide. Now that you're on the Behance homepage, focus your attention on the highlight section of the site. This feature lets you see top-notch projects that are currently trending, offering inspiration and ideas for your creative endeavors. By clicking on Highlight, you can immerse yourself in a stream of exceptional content. This can be a great source of motivation, and who knows, you might even find new techniques or styles you'd like to incorporate into your own projects. Next, you'll want to update your profile to stand out among the millions of users. Hover over your profile icon on the top right and click on Edit Profile Info. This area is crucial as it presents your unique personality and portfolio to viewers. Ensure your profile is updated with your latest projects, a compelling bio, and relevant contact information. A complete and eye-catching profile increases your chances of getting discovered by potential collaborators or clients. Within the profile editor, you'll find the option to further highlight your work. Click on the highlight again to feature specific projects prominently on your profile. This is a powerful tool to draw attention to your finest pieces or those that best represent your style and capabilities. Select your best work to showcase your creativity and professional skills. Moving on, you'll need to upload images that will enhance your portfolio. Click to choose an image from your files and open it within Behance's editor. This part is straightforward but crucial, as high-quality images can make a significant difference in how your projects are perceived. Make sure the images are clear, well-composed, and truly represent the quality of your work. Finally, once your image is uploaded, use the cropping tool to adjust and finalize its presentation. Proper cropping can ensure that your most important elements are centrally highlighted, making your work more appealing and engaging. After cropping, click Save, and you're done. Your profile is now updated and ready to impress the Behance community. Remember, regularly updating your profile and showcasing your best work is key to maintaining a vibrant presence on Behance. This platform is all about engaging with other creatives and sharing your journey. Keep exploring, creating, and connecting.